Manual on work from home. Disclaimer: this training material is for use in training of officials. It should not be referred as guideline of government. In case of any variance in this training material, the government guidelines, rules, laws shall prevail. Due to COVID-19 spike, there is lockdown in various parts of the country. Government has allowed its employees to work from home. In this video, we will discuss various points of the manual on work from home. The objectives are to provide flexibility to employees who work from home during time of emergencies, calamities, crisis situations such as COVID-19, when it is not possible for employees to be physically present in office. To ensure that work deliverables are achieved even if an employee is unable to attend the office. Applicability: this policy applies to all employees using their home to perform their work as part of their employment terms and conditions with their employer. For employees working from home, their employment status, job responsibilities for performance standards will not be changed, and employees will be expected to continue to comply with their contractual obligations and to abide by their organizational policies. Salient features of work from home. In case of emergencies, calamities, crisis situations, when it is not possible to attend the office, employees are expected to stay at their headquarters and report for work from home. If due to some reason the employee has to travel or leave his or her headquarters, he is expected to seek consent from his department or organization or head of the office. Record daily attendance using the app or process developed by the government or the department or organization or head of the office. Be readily available and accessible for all work-related communication. Stay in constant touch with their team members and reporting manager through phone, email, WhatsApp, etc. If they have a scheduling conflict or cannot meet a deadline, they are expected to inform the officials in advance and make arrangements to ensure their tasks are completed. Be available on phone for any video conference as and when required. Ensure timely completion of deliverables. Ensure use of secure internet connection for completing office assignments. Communicate their goals to do clearly with their supervisors. Employees should also be committed to all the tasks assigned to them and ensure that they meet these goals and targets within the stated timelines. Ensure data privacy and security. Employees should not install any unauthorized software programs on their system. Keep their communication and daily work recorded through emails or timesheets. They should maintain accurate and up-to-date records of hours worked at home within normal span of hours. Conduct themselves in a manner which opposes the reputation of the organization. Employees should not act in a way which may hinder the performance of the organization or damage its reputation. Carry out the work assigned by the superiors with a specific or general instruction consistently and to the best of their ability. Not misuse any amenity provided by the organization. During the tenure of work from home, if due to some reason, medical or some other reason, if the employee is not able to log in or work from home on that day, he shall have to apply for leave for that day through the mode used in their office and also inform his or her team as well as head of the office or reporting manager or HR in charge about his absence in writing. Also, head of the office or supervisors or reporting managers are expected to assign tasks to the team on a daily basis and keep track of the timely completion. Monitor the tasks and timesheets filled by the employees. They should keep in constant touch with their team to ensure that the team or employees meet their goals and targets. Schedule communication meetings, including method of disseminating information to staff who are working from home. Provide straightforward guidelines to the team so that each one knows exactly what to do in the new work environment. Wherever practicable, provide equipment and tools required to perform the task. In case of employees who do not have system access at home, their concerned supervisors can assign them tasks such as improvement in skill, new technology, soft skills, documentation, presentation, etc. Employees can also do online courses, certification program during this time. In this video, we have learned about what we are expected to do when we are working from home. If you have any doubt or want any clarification, then you can contact through the mail as shown on the screen. For other videos on rules and regulations, you can visit the web address as shown. Thank you.